everyone. So in this video, I will let you know how you interact with the hooked target, right? So guys, this is the beef part 3 lecture and I have already covered on this. There are two lecture. So first you have to visit that two lecture because this three part is totally dependent on first and second, right? So you can see here I am using three machine. If I showcase you, you can see there is a Kali. This is the my main machine, or this is the attacker machine, and the target machine is Metasploit and Windows 10. So I will let you know with the example, right? So you can see I am hooked with these two browser. You can see here, and both browser are different machine. First one browser, this is in Kali machine. You can see this browser, and the second browser of the Windows 10 machine, right? So I am hooked with that, right, in my BeEF panel. So how I hooked that browser? So you can visit my past lecture. In part 1 and part 2 you will get an idea how I hooked, right? Now the main things is how I use this information if I'm able to hook. So if you click on any browser, this is in online browser, so you can see I'm these all two browser are online. So if you visit on this, so you will get multiple information. You can see here, you will get an idea about the multiple information, like what is the IP which I am using, the operating system I'm using Windows, this is the 64 type, and the Windows 10 I am using. So these type all information you will get, right? If you click on logs, so logs will let you know how whatever I'm doing in my system, so that will capture the logs. And this is the command, and there are multiple steps you will this is the network, so how I'm connecting or how beef is working, so you will showcase you with the map, right? So let's go to the main things, command. So here if you see there are multiple things if you open the browser. So like these type of like detect toolbars, play sounds, these all type attack I can do through the beef, right? And there are other like Chrome extensions, right? Debug. And if you see there are social engineering, multiple social engineering attack. So the main thing is I can do anything. So for an example, if I click on this first and command, if I go to the alert, ALERT, so whatever, this is an example. So if you want to something on your target browser, so you just, for example, I'm typing test and try to execute. So I have put this on this machine, and this is the same machine. If you go to here, so you will get this test alert, right? Same thing. If I going to the window 10, this is my window 10 target, right? And if go to the command, type alert, and here type just alert and execute, and go to your window 10, so you will get on that code executing your in this system window 10, because this system or this browser hooked from this machine, right? So how I have hooked, you can visit my part 1 and part 2 lecture. So now for example, if you go to the raw, sorry, if I type here raw JavaScript means whatever you want in this text area, means you can execute any code like a keylogger, and you can whatever you want, you can do anything from here, because this raw JavaScript code will execute on the browser. So for example, I'm doing alert, you can use the keylogger, you can execute from here to any malware code or whatever you want, right? So I'm just executing this code. So if you see your target browser window 10, so that code is executing here because I have execute alert. But you can use any malware, any keylogger, any other things, whatever you want, which can be harm the website, so that code you can directly execute from here, right? And other, if you see, if you type spider, yeah, this is the spider eye. And repeat one, delay 300. If you execute here, so what you will get, okay, if you go to your machine and do something and go to here, oh, this is used for the, I think, screenshot, whatever you when click your browse your tab into the any page, so you will, I think, capture the screenshot. You can see here this is capturing the screenshot. Okay, and same as you can use, if you type redirect, so yeah, this is the redirect browser, so you can give the redirect URL here. So from here, user, if you execute that, so user will redirect from their location to this URL. So you can also do that. And there are other things, pretty theft. So if you use here, so how you will it work? You can use the dialog box or type like Facebook and backing whatever you want, gray, right? And if you execute here, execute and go to your window machine, so oh, you will get, see here, this is the pop-up where he is asking the credential. For example, I'm putting these credential and login. Normal user will think, oh, there is something which required the admin and or like which required the credential, so he will put credential here and login. So if you log in here, nothing will happen here, but if you going to your Kali machine, you will see, I think, uh, that will capture your request. Yeah, if you see here, so you can see answer is admin and password, right? So this is my admin which I have put in the username, and this is my password. My password is password which I have put into the password field. So this will capture your credential information here. So you can see if we are hooked anything or any browser, so you, there are multiple things which you can execute on your target, right? So first thing, you first have to hook to your browser with the target browser. How you hooked, I have already cleared in my part 1 and part 2, right? So after that, how you use the information, so I have now in this video I have clear how you use information. And the most important thing, you will uh, practical with on with there are multiple things which you can do with your side. So please do the practical, there are multiple things which you can do here, right? So these all are the example how you get the information or how you execute the code on target machine, and how you get like all, how you do all things, or how you use the beef on with the target, right? So in this video that's all, and I will let you know, or subscribe my channel to get the upcoming hacking tutorial video, and I will provide my playlist link in description, so you will get an hacking tutorial, full tutorial, right? So that's all in this video. Thank you.